The following content is for educational and conservation purposes. The rescue process is performed carefully to ensure the animal's safety.
Good afternoon, and thank you for joining us. We're here at the Turtle Hospital located in the heart of the Florida Keys, and we are in our surgery suite. And we are here with some of the crusty greens. And these greens were transferred from northern Florida. And they are in here to have their epibiota or barnacles removed today. We're looking at Rottweiler, looks pretty chill. And no doubt is going to feel a lot better once those barnacles are off. So all the turtles that you're looking at now, they're Shih Tzu and Beagle. Again, Rottweiler. And here's Pomsky. And they are all stable enough now that we can get them cleaned up. So thank you for joining us. I'm going to ask you to tune in to our social media platforms later today where you're going to see these edited videos of barnacle removal. Thank you for joining us. Hi, it's Betty. Ready? Rottweiler? Goodness. Okay. Alright, so I would understand why I would try something different and we'll see how it goes.
Very perfect looking barnacles.
Yep.
That was a spear gun, a spear from a spear gun.
Okay, we're gonna stop. Just to show for comparison. Last one, Rottweiler. All right. That was beautiful.
The middle seemed a lot easier on her shell.
What's that?
Going through the middle seemed a lot easier on her shell than the side.
I think with those big barnacles, they lend themselves well to that. But sometimes those other ones are stealing the show. All right. Okay, put her back up.
Oh, kids who left her clean towel.